Here is the key fob for your Kia Sorento. First thing is we'll push down that button there and get the physical key out. Now right over there is a slot. Get your screwdriver or get your key and put it right in that slot and give it a firm twist. That's going to pry that key fob open. This is the important part. Just give it a firm twist. Once it opens up, get the two sides side, and that's the battery right over there. Push that battery out. You can even use that screwdriver to sort of push it out all the way if it doesn't come out easily. And there you go, the battery is now out. The battery side is CR2032. The positive side is marked with the plus sign. The negative side has no markings on it. Check the link in the description to buy the new battery from Amazon for yourself. Let's go ahead, get the new battery and then put it back in with the positive side facing upwards, just the way I'm showing. Slide it in all the way. And now let's just put the cover back in, but I'm just going to show you this part of the remote, and this is just for curiosity purposes. In case something falls off, I just want to show you what it looks like when it's put it back in. So in order to prevent anything from falling out, just hold it the way I'm holding. Don't hold it upside down. There's nothing else holding the key and the transparent plastic. It's just sitting there. If you hold it upside down, everything's just gonna fall off. So just extra information in case anything does fall out. Let's just put this back in. This goes in this way. Get it in place, and now let's just put this cover on, press it down together to secure it. Let's not forget to put the physical key back in, and now let's try it out. This is working fine, and so is the lock button, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.